Hi, so I want to introduce this smart outlet strip by Koolertron. So sometimes you just want an outlet strip that has multiple smart plug devices you could plug in instead of these individual ones that actually take up a lot of space. So here is a outlet strip that has 3 smart plugs built right in. And I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the features of the application. So first I'm going to show you how to install it. So you want to go into Google Play and search for Home and install it. So once I've installed it, I'm going to open it here. And what I have to do first is register. So I'm going to go in and register, and it's going to ask for my mobile device name or an actual email address. So once I've registered, it's going to send me a verification code via a text. I'm going to enter that in and put in my password. And here it prompts me to add a device. I am going to enter add a device. Press add devices. And it will prompt me for a smart plug, a multifunction socket. I'm going to choose multifunction socket. And you want to make sure that this is rapidly blinking. So what I'm going to do here is in my outlet strip, I'm going to hold this button. And you can see now it's rapidly blinking. And once it's rapidly blinking, I'm going to click confirm here. And it's going to ask for my Wi-Fi password. So what I want to make sure is before I start this and I put in my Wi-Fi password that I'm actually on the Wi-Fi that I want this device to be on. And once I've entered in my password, now it's going to try to detect the device. And as you can see, the lights are now off. It's not blinking rapidly anymore. So what it's doing here is it's communicating with this device, setting my Wi-Fi password, and this device will communicate with my Wi-Fi and connect to my home network. Now that did take quite a bit of time. It took about 40 seconds there. And I am going to click done. And as you can see now, I have the 3 switches. And I could turn each one of them individually on. So let me demo some other features of this app. So let me go ahead and show you that this can be used around the world without Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi and I'm going to go on my 4G, meaning that now I could control this globally anywhere in the world. So you notice I have turned off my Wi-Fi. And at the top here, I have my 4G turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fan. So this is going globally through the internet via my 4G network. In other words, via my cell network. And I could do the same with the light. So I am no longer controlling it locally on my local network, but rather through the internet via the cell phone 4G LTE. And similarly with the USB plugs, I could also control it that way. Now there is a connection where you could use Echo. So if you have Amazon Echo, it does hook into Amazon Alexa and the Echo. There's also a button up here which has alarms. And it's a little bit misnamed. The alarms is for each one of these devices. So you see for the switch 1, 2, 3 and USB devices, you can also set a timer. Basically schedule whether it comes on and off and whether it repeats. So for example, if I wanted to turn on every day at 6 o'clock, I could do a repeat and, check the days that I want it to turn on at 6 o'clock and actually save it. And you could see I set it to turn on every time at 6 p.m. I could also set it to turn off every day at 7 p.m. Turn it off. So for each one of these plugs, I could actually turn it on and off and set a timer for it individually. As you can see, I could turn on everything with a single click of the button, or I could turn everything off and control it individually. And there are also some settings here for other devices. So if I buy multiple devices, I could control it all on one screen here. But that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show, and I hope this helped. And please subscribe, and thank you for watching. And the link to this is in the description area of my video. And I hope this helped, and thank you for watching.